Hi guys, with another video. Today we're gonna change the just this is the cover. I took a one piece. It goes right there, right there. And what I did, I just right there. I pulled the cover, and it comes out. And after that, here you can see the right there inside. This is the one. You just twist the right, like twisting the left side. It comes out, and I already put it inside and just put it back right there. Okay, right there. And the other one here, right here, same thing. Just turn it to left side and put the light inside, and then put this cover. As you see, these are the one it holds right there. These are the one holds. A couple of them is broken, but still you can use it. As I said, this goes right here. It covers right there. See, you push it inside, and it's gonna lock, and that's it. That's it. As you see the picture, look, just pulling from this side or this side. This side you can pull it. There is a space that you just pull it. That's it. Like this, and you can go. You can reach the light. And if you want to see any other cables, you're right there. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and see you soon with another video.